The tips I'm about to share with you on how to manage your time effectively might be a bit shocking. Maybe your first reaction would be, "What? I cannot do that. How can I do that? I don't have time for that." But just hear me out, and why not give it a try? A lot of university students, a lot of high school students, even primary school students go to a counselor asking for answers. They want to know how they can be more effective with their time management. And I will try to give you answers to that question in this very short video. The first tip that I want to share with you: don't do pleasure before you do business. What do I mean by that? Very simple. Do not watch movies. Do not go on Facebook. Do not check Instagram before doing your homework. As a matter of fact, it would be better to watch a movie. It would be better to go out and play soccer after you have done your homework. There's a sense of satisfaction like, yeah, I did it. Now I can have some fun. So, like I said, don't do pleasure before you do business. Second, make sure that you give your time to the thing that is most important at the moment. What do I mean by that? Well, Solomon, a famous man, very wise, probably the wisest man on earth, said once, "There's time for everything." And I believe so. But sometimes you have to prioritize things. Let me put it this way. If you have a final exam in 2 days, you shouldn't be playing games. If you have a major project that needs to be finalized by the end of the week, don't go out with friends. It's not the time for that. So when it comes to time management, you have to be really careful and balance and weigh which activity should be prioritized. And the third tip that I want to share with you is you can control your time. Time doesn't have to control you, and in order to do that, you better come up with a schedule. It doesn't have to be sophisticated like from 1 to 2, from 2 to 3, from 3 to 4, I'm doing this and this and this. Some people do that. Some people find it helpful, but personally that doesn't work for me. However, I have goals for the day. Today, I want to accomplish this, this, and this. And I would recommend to not have more than 3 goals. 3 goals that will demand time. And because they will demand time, you will have to manage your time wisely. So set goals for the day in order to help yourself to manage your time better. Remember, don't do pleasure before doing business. Second, remember that it's really, really important to balance and see what needs your time the most at that particular moment. And third, I believe you can do it. You can come up with a schedule, with a set of goals that tell you what to do for every day, every week, and even every month.